What's going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be installing a remote starter for my 2019 Ford F-150, but this will work for any 2015 to 2020 models. It's super easy. There's no tools required. Installation takes about 2 minutes, so let's get started. Okay, so I've opened up the box right here, so you've got all your contents. You've got your installation manual, you've got your zip ties, you've got your wiring harness, and you've got your module control box. Now this is very, very easy to follow along as they have labeled the parts A, B, C, and D. So as I'm telling you guys where things go, it'll be really easy to follow along. Okay, so step one, move your seat back as far as it'll go and raise your steering wheel as high as it'll go. That way you have as much room as possible up here. Come underneath to this port right here. Now this port will have a little plug on the back of it. As you can see, this wiring harness right here, there will be a tab that you can press up on and pull backwards. So find that tab, and that guy unplugs from that. Next, you'll take the portion from your wiring harness that's labeled D, and you'll plug in what you just unplugged into it, and you'll hear it clip into place like that. And then on the backhand portion, there's the part that's labeled E, and that plugs into where all of it was originally unplugged from in the first place back here. Remember, the tab goes on the bottom. So slide that into place and you'll hear it click in as well. Just like that. Now you'll come down here and you'll grab your wiring harness and your box. And on the side of the box that has this blinking LED right here, you're going to plug the portion labeled C into the small part on this side. And you'll hear him clip into place, just like that. And then on the opposite side right here, you've got this plug-in right here. This is where you will plug in A. So A plugs into right there. You heard him clip into place. And now you're good to take your keys and turn your car's battery on. Not the vehicle all the way on, just the battery. And this light will go from green and then to red. So it went from red to green and then back to red. It was very quick, but that's what happened. So now you're good to take your keys out of the ignition, come over here, unplug A, and take B and plug it into where you had A plugged into. Plug that in. Do the same thing where you turn your car's battery on. And once it's done blinking, then you are good to go and the installation is complete. So I've taken my keys out. So now if I press this lock button 3 times, the vehicle should turn on. And now the vehicle is up and running. It's just that simple, guys. Like I said, no tools required. Installation takes about 1 to 2 minutes. And now you've got yourself a great remote start for the vehicle. And trust me, guys, doing this mod afterwards is significantly cheaper than getting this part installed on the truck from factory. You will save a ton of money by doing it this way. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll catch you on the next video.